Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at this Xerox PrimeLink C9065. I'm Matthew and this is the pruning workshop. Alright, so today I'm going to show you about changing the toners. It's very simple. It can be hard to see if you've never done it before, but you have your front blue cover right here and there's handles on each side, and you'll pull down and that door opens right there, and there's all your toners. Now you'll notice that this model, other than models smaller than it, it has 2 black toners in it, and that's because it's a production level machine, and so it's just got more capacity. You just grab the handle and just pull it straight out, and on top there is an orange handle that you can grab, but I'm not gonna lie, I always just grab it from underneath. You get your new toner out of the box, come straight out just like this, and you'll go right back in. There's some guides on the top on each side, and they'll kind of help you go into this gray cavity on the front of the machine, and you'll slide that right into there until it clicks and you're nice and flush, and you just close that front cover back up and you're good to go. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click right here. Hey everybody, if you would like to see more how-to videos on other models in the Xerox lineup, make sure and like and subscribe.